Just a quick unboxing here. Got my Daily Charme Halloween box in. Finally, I was so excited. Thought it would never come. Oh, it's so pretty. Daily Charme. Ah! Got on my thing. So pretty. Oh wow. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. What can we get? Candy. Okay. Oh wow. Cool. Let's see what we got. Some mermaid gems. Paper goalies and ghosties and spiders. Got some metal charms. Some Halloween rhinestones. That's cool. Some metal findings. Silver and gold. These are kind of spiky. That's kind of cool. Candy. Potter bowl, my favorite. Yum, yum, yum. Watercolor ink. Cool, looks like it's red. Ooh, gel polish. Purple. Ooh, that's pretty. .3D art mixing gel. Don't really know what that does. That'll be cool. Look. Oh, interesting. It's really thick. Oh. Wonder how that'll work. Wonder if it's that like gummy kind of thick stuff. Okay. I have to watch some videos. Got some orange pigment. Ooh, it's glow in the dark. That's cool. Let's see. Aw, got some glitters. They're fun. Ooh, those are cool. I'll mix those in with some clear dip. Oh man, these are so pretty. Oh wow. Those are really unique. It's a mixture. That's so cool. Oh, that's pretty. More of an iridescent take. Pair that with like this. Be fun. Okay, those are cute. Oh, it's really pretty. It matches some of the themes I'm working with. Well, that's really cute because I was actually playing around with the all powdered up dip, and I made this out of it with this mold that I had. So this is super cute. Our little baddies. Little baddies. That's so cute. Oh, I do love me some lace foils. Oh, they're so pretty. Very cool. And some stickers. Oh, only one pack? Oh man. Motionless in white. Okay. Oh, they're cute. They're not like the cutesy ones that I saw they had, or the romantic ones. So hopefully they're not sold out. I'll have to go and see what they've got left. They're like fun though. Like I'd use like the bats and the cross. Maybe the gears are fun. The little slashers are cool. unbox. I always want to keep like the little shreds and like figure out something for them. Put them through your nails. I don't know. Always like, what can I do with what I've got? All right, so that was the box. That's everything that we got. I have to check the price. It was kind of an expensive box if I remember correctly. But you got a lot of cool stuff. Maybe stuff that you wouldn't have bought for yourself. You know, it's always interesting to try new things. Some black and gold, which I don't love, but you know, at least it's tempered by the black. Really love the glitters. This is more of a copper. It's kind of a dark gold and black slash copper maybe. It's fun. Digging these bats though. They're like purple and matte looking. Oof. Oof. Love that. These are super cute. You would use these in the in this. This would go together. So that's cool. At least they don't give you stuff that you can't use together. You can use this to dye it if you want. You can also use this. You can spread it on the mold first and then lay down your stuff. So that's cool. You can use these. So it's all really usable stuff. That's really cool. I'm excited. Cute little box. So there's my unboxing. Thank you. Hope you enjoy. Bye. Thanks for stopping by, friends, and I hope you enjoyed. Take care. Love you. Bye.